Hey everybody, it's me again, Tanner, Practical Paracord. In today's video, I set up bowling pins on all lengths of the fence, y'all. And I only got one bucket of rocks, which is roughly about 100 rocks. You know, all different shapes and sizes. Now I'm just gonna see how many I can knock down in this one bucket, y'all. Let's see what happens before it rains. Yeah, start off my 60-inch Smiling Sling. And the further I get, if I get further, I got my 80 in the bucket, y'all. Let's do it. All right, y'all, one down. One down. All right, y'all, that's two. We warming up. We got three, baby. Go for four. That's four. I'll take it. Oh. All right, y'all. Pulling out the old 80-inch. Oh. All right, I gotta go back to my 60. Even though the 80 was feeling good, I just didn't have the control I wanted, it felt like. I like I'm doing much better with this. Yeah, baby. Only got a few more rocks left, y'all. See what we can do. Alright, y'all. I hate to have videos where I don't complete it, but take this out. I did complete the bucket, y'all. So I did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them. Don't know the exact distance, but hey, you know, it was a fun, good little practice. All this right here, cut grass. So yeah, I might have been a little off because every time I'm trying to bend the camera, it kept getting cut up, but whatever. We'll have something better tomorrow. I hope y'all like what y'all seen today. If y'all did, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And when you do, tell me that notification bell. Ding!
Practical paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained, you know that we talking slinging. Catch 'em in Louisiana, Sling King. Find 'em down south, slinging giants like it's David and Goliath. Make sure you subscribe now. All the slinging techniques, slinging so hard I could kill a beast. Come and check me. Hey, I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord. Let's go.